says which of the following statements describes the set of integers from -3 to 6. Integers are, yeah, negative and positive numbers altogether, right? I know this probably looking like a lot of color, but I'll read and explain what they mean, right? The signs confuse. They have meaning, okay? So they have open brackets, which means we deal with sets, right? This here means the set of all x, or it means whatever numbers we deal with. The set of all x such that I normally like to read from the x going left first. The set of all x such that x is less than -3, going right now, x is greater than 6. And then they have what you call it? X is an element of C, which supposed to be real numbers. So before I continue with that part, I just read that because I know what you said it was confusing. I should have first written out all the numbers that's supposed to be in the sets, right? That's the first thing I supposed to do. So let me do that now. Um, so if they said from, it means the set must include -3. After -3 is -2. Well, not after, more like before. -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this whatever they want must include all of this. This first one doesn't include it because even if you don't know what this X stuff means, it just means a set of all X such that the main thing you really need to read is this. That's the key. So just again to go through it, going from X going left first. They said X is less than -3. In order for x to be less than -3, which number is smaller than -3? -4 is smaller than -3 on a number line. This doesn't include -4, so already this is not correct. And the other part of it is saying x is greater than 6. For x to be greater than 6, it has to be 7, 8, 9. So A is already out of the picture. The next one, B. Okay, so starting from the middle again, going left. It is saying that x is less than equal to -3. Less than or equal to. Less than equal to means you start from -3, but one number is less than -3. The first number that's smaller or less than -3 is -4. So then we should have had -3, then -4, then -5. That's not correct either. The second part of it is saying x is greater than, equal to 6. That as well as wrong. So it does have the 6, but numbers that are bigger than 6 will be from 7, 8, 9, 10. This information doesn't include any of that. So B is also wrong. So it's either between C or D. So let's see what C is saying. C is saying from here, x is greater than equal to -3. That sounds like it. Okay, so for those who are not sure, x is greater than equal to means you must start from the -3, which is what we have here. The first number that is bigger or greater than -3 is -2. So yes, that part making sense so far? Checking the second part to see if that is correct, because you need the full statement to be correct. X is less than equal to 6. So it is equal to 6 and less than 6. So C seems to be the answer, but let me just double check D and see what they have in D. They have X is greater than -3, but they don't have the equal part. So if they say that X is greater than -3, the first number that's greater than -3 is -2, which means we'll start from -2, then go to -1, which is also bigger than -3 and -2 at the same time. We have 0, 1, and the other part is saying that X is less than 6, so that means we have to stop up to 5. Just doing some dots up to 5. This is not correct. So, as I said, the main thing you already need to read here and understand is this part. That will be able to help you determine the answer.